Ride to the Valley of the Hidden Dinosaur and see if the mountain pass is still blocked with ice and snow. Oh my god! Hello, Elrod's here, and today, we might just be unlocking Valley of the Hidden Dinosaur. I actually thought that I was only going to be getting that, like, later, but I don't know. I realized that I found out that the Golden Hills Valley, sadly, you only get it when you're level, whatchamacallit? Oh my god, I can do this. Level 16, there we go. And yeah, so I thought we were going to be unlocking that place today, but we're not. Instead, we're unlocking Valley of the Hidden Dinosaur. Oh my god. I hate that your horse stops every time you open up the options. And by the way, I got this new saddle pad. I'm so glad that I did, because I was just constantly wearing this, my white dressage saddle pad, but the thing about that one is, it didn't match my outfit, like, at all. So, yeah, it just looked, like, really unmatched when I was wearing it, because I would wear, oh right, they're still on Onyx Magic, but my boots that are this color, and then, my white saddle pad, so it would be all unmatchy. So, I've been waiting and saving, but I finally got this, and I'm so glad. We're riding Ice Wish because I was training her earlier, and I just didn't feel like changing back to Onyx Magic. So yes, that's cool. We reached level 15 today. You can see down here my level is just, like, I just got level 16. And I can't wait till level 17, because as I told you, I'm going to be getting Golden Hills Valley. And this shortcut, like, it never works, but I always just try, and because trying is the best thing to do. Wow. I can't. Ugh, I did this. I swear I did this like 2 days ago. This is the end of me. And I'm also super happy because I found, I hate it when they, there we go. I think I can do this. Easy. I gotta make sure I don't die and get teleported back. I switch. There we go. That's in. There we go. We did it. And we saved like 2 seconds, so that's a plus. Oh my. Yes, I am actually looking for a Western dressage club, not Western dressage, oh my god, a Western club, because I actually was at the mall when I bought this saddle pad that I've been, by the way, saving for, and yeah, I got it, but I saw this dressage, oh my god, Western saddle. It's called the roping saddle, and the matching bridle, and I was like, oh my god, that's perfect, because, like, as you probably saw in one of my videos, no, I didn't upload that video. I forgot. I don't think I did, at least. Now I'm scared because I don't actually know where this thing is. Oh, please don't tell me I came up here for no reason. Oh my. Maggot. Oh my god. Oh, I'm sorry. It's actually over there. Jump. Wow, best jump on the history of the planet. Yeah, so I'm really glad I saw that saddle, and I'll find some sort of Western, saddle rug. Oh, right, and this is the second shortcut, but I gotta make sure I don't die, though, like I usually do. Oh my god. I give up. I'm not doing that shortcut. I've got a different shortcut. So yeah, today I leveled to level 15 on both my horse and my rider. So yeah, so glad I finally got there. And it didn't take, like, I feel like I was so dreading training Ice Swish, but I feel like it was so worth it in the end. And oh my god, I'm stuck. I hate when I get oh my, the anger. I've got to make sure it doesn't leave my body. There we go, we're free. Freely! And that's him. Yep. See, shortcuts always help. Oh my. SSO, why do you do this to me? Okay, so yeah, that was a small little adventure. Yeah. Oof. Okay, I'm gonna pause this because, like, we're gonna run out of exploring time and see you guys when I actually find the Valley of the Hidden Dinosaur. Oh my god! And again. Yeah. I have to report to Elizabeth, and then I get to go to Valley of the Hidden Dinosaur. But the thing is, guys, is yeah, I swiped the screen down, and it kinda, yeah, I can't see the time. It's dark. So I'm gonna try to make each like everything I talk about to be a short little thing, so that it doesn't drag out, and you're not like, I really want to find out. Make your next video, because then I make my next video and I forget about how it paused. I feel like it's so weird that you can just get like plus 19. Like, that's such an exact number. Ooh, that's a lot of experience. Ride into the Valley of the Hidden Dinosaur, people. Here goes. We got it, guys. We got Valley of the Hidden Dinosaur, and now I can do so many more quests there. And as you can see on the map, I've got like 5,000 like time bubbles, which means that I'll have to wait till the next day, which is cool. I don't mind. And then there's like, especially at Silverglade, I've got like 3 time bubbles, but then at Moorland, I've got 1. So alone. And here goes, people. I want to take a picture. I need to take a picture. It's my duty. Oh my god! Picture time. No, too bad my horse isn't moving. That would be cool. Wait, I'm gonna make my horse move on. Sorry, people, I'm dragging this out, but, like, I really want to get a picture of me, like, entering the Valley of the Hidden Dinosaur. Picture. What's that picture? It doesn't really show. There we go, that's better. So nice. I like to put in a lot of saturation, actually, it's the truth. Ah, yeah, that looks nice. I don't know, just really, I like the pure colors being brought out. Oh my god, this is like such a weird road, but who cares? It's amazing. And an icicle literally just, like, killed my horse. I'm sorry. Yes. So now we're gonna go up here. Oh, wow. It's an elevator? I don't know how I feel about that. It's kinda... Oh, okay. I think I watched somebody do this quest once. It looks pretty run down to me. Well, it kinda looks... Oh my god! Oh my god! There's a race already? Do you know what this means? I can train here. Wow! Oh my. Try to get down there. Oh my. This is totally gonna kill my horse, but... just gonna have to try. Oh, yeah. You sure about the star stable? I don't really... There. Yeah, I feel like in real life that would have just killed Ice Wish, but, yeah. Oh my, I hate that. I hate it when you're going down a place, and then you just stop. So I learned that you can't stay on something for too long, or else it's gonna break off, and you're gonna die, like I keep doing. Oh my, we can do this, we can do this, we can do this. We need to get down there. We need to. It's our destiny, people. Maybe if I go slower. No, that's just gonna make everything worse. No, literally, like the moment my horse's, like, the moment Ice Wish's hooves touch the thing, it starts to break. Wow, that's just unsteady, unsafe, I don't know. What's wrong with that race? We made it, people! Oh my god! Wait, where's the next checkpoint? Oh, there. Wow, we did it! Oh my, now we're stuck here, people. I wonder if call for pickup works. Probably not. Oh my. Yeah, I'm gonna do that because I'm stuck here, as the thing said. I wonder if it's like call for pickup works. I'm not gonna test that because if it doesn't work, then that would be very bad. So yes, if you wanted to know, you need to be level 15 to get it. Oh my, examine the little building by the elevator. Oh, okay. Wow, this takes a long time. So yes, hope you guys enjoyed. I'm not gonna pause the video because I can't. Yeah, we're just gonna chill. So yes, bye right now. I'm saying bye right now because it's gonna end on a cliffhanger. Great, nothing of interest. That's just my favorite word. Or sentence, I should say. Okay, over here? Does that work? Oof. I wonder how many subscribers I have. I hope I get more because I think I told Sarah Youngcamp I asked her if she could. She made a video where it was her showing these videos of people who are underrated, and I get that I don't have editing or anything, so I'm not very underrated because my stuff is not the best, but still, I don't have that many, and the purpose was her helping out smaller YouTubers, so I guess it does count, right? Maybe my treehouse key could work. I think not. No. Oh my, wow. Maybe it will. That would be amazing. I really hope it doesn't glitch. And my bloopers just going on. No, you can't use pants to open a door. That would be extremely weird. Okay. Yep, we need the rusty key. We also need to mount so that Ice Wish doesn't die from bloopers. Please give us the key. Nope, nothing. Oh, I hope it's not one of those quests where you never actually find the... Yes! Found the rusty key! Found the rusty key! I wonder how we can get in. Find the key. Okay. Are we able... Oh my. Oh my. I got a video. No. Oh, it's the video Soar. Cool. Soar. Another Soar episode. Oh my. Yeah, the best thing about this saddle, the saddle pad I have on, is that it has the Star Stable, the logo in white, which really I think